Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets and gizmos. Today, we're diving into the world of gaming peripherals with a unique offering from Sehawei, the Sehawei Arcade Stick T16. Let's start with the design. The Sehawei Arcade Stick T16 boasts a sleek and modern design, featuring transparent acrylic material with customizable RGB lighting effects. With its enlarged style and 16 all-button layout, this arcade controller provides a comfortable gaming experience, especially for fighting game enthusiasts. What sets the T16 apart is its versatility. It's compatible with a wide range of platforms, including PC, PS3, PS4, Switch, and even Raspberry Pi and Android devices. Plus, it supports multiple controller modes, from X input to PS4 mode and even keyboard mode, giving you the flexibility to adapt to different gaming setups. But what about performance? Well, the T16 delivers with ultra-low 1 millisecond delay, ensuring responsive and lag-free gaming sessions. And with hot swappable technology, you can customize the mechanical keys to suit your preferences without any hassle. Speaking of customization, Sehawei includes everything you need in the box. From a USB cable to low-profile red switches and switch puller tools. Plus, the T16 supports firmware updates, so you can always stay up to date with the latest features and improvements. So, is the Sehawei Arcade Stick T16 worth your hard-earned cash? Absolutely. With its impressive performance, customizable features, and wide compatibility, it's a must-have for any serious gamer. Whether you're a PC enthusiast or a console warrior, the T16 has you covered. That wraps up our review of the Sehawei Arcade Stick T16. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more reviews and tech content. Until next time, happy gaming!